How to log in into your Pinterest account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser, or you can simply open up the Pinterest tab. I'll just open up a web browser and search for Pinterest. You can directly head over to pinterest.com too. After you're on pinterest.com, you will see this interface. What you'll need to do is on the top right corner, you will see two options called login and sign up. If you don't have an account, tap on the sign up option to create one account and then log in with that. If you already have an account, tap on the login option. Now here you will get different options such as email, password. You can log in using your Facebook, or you can continue as your Google account. You can sign in using whichever you want. So just type in your email and then password if you want to do with that. And after you do that, tap on the login button. I'll just continue using my Google account. And after doing that, you'll get logged into your account. And it's that simple, guys. And that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.